first look at Golden Acres Homestead for all of our viewers. We purchased 8 acres of vacant Wisconsin land in the summer of 2020. We are taking you on our journey of transforming this field and trees into our dream homestead. Our first big project is getting our fruit orchard planted. We have fenced off over 10,000 square feet for our trees to grow. In this video, we will be showing you the steps we are taking to prevent deer from destroying our trees. Taking a closer look at the fencing we installed, it is clear that we have 2 rows of fence close together. After much research, we learned that deer can jump high but have terrible depth perception. This double fence is claimed to be more effective than one taller fence. Each fence is 4 feet tall field fencing held up by T-posts placed 10 feet apart. The 2 fences have a 5-foot gap between them. The next strategy we use, which you may have already noticed, is our dogs. We have a 2-year-old golden doodle named Shadow and a 1-year-old golden retriever named Grim. We allow and encourage both of our dogs to use this area to play in and relieve themselves. The scent they leave behind is a natural repellent for deer. The next 2 strategies we are using in our orchard are fairly uncommon but have some data to back them. They are the use of CDs and soap along the fencing. The soap is Irish Spring Original Scent cut into quarters with a hole drilled in each piece to fit the fishing line through. The CDs are 2 blank CDs that are hot glued together with the shiny and shimmery side visible from any direction. We are securing the CDs to our outermost fence, placing them about every 20 feet. We use the fishing line to suspend them, allowing them to blow in the wind. With the shininess and random movement, it is supposed to startle the deer enough to be a visual deterrent. A similar method is used for the soap. Fishing line is threaded through the drilled hole. They are then hung on the outer fence near the CDs. The original scented Irish Spring soap provides a scent that deer and other mammals are not fond of. We purchase it in a bulk pack of 12, which allows us to replace the soap several times when the rain starts to break it down. In our orchard, we try to use products and methods that introduce as few chemicals as possible. We also have to keep in mind our dog's safety as well. Many people like to use an electric line or fence in addition to the traditional fence. However, in our situation where we allow our dogs to use this area, we chose not to go that route. If you have any questions about any of the techniques used in this video, drop a comment below. As always, if you would like to see more content about our growing homestead, like and subscribe. See you next time!